Hi guys, I'm back again. I had another question that relates to the cause of coronary heart disease, all right? And just realize that all the information I'm sharing with you is just for you to get more information and do your own research. I'm not telling you that we have the answers to cure any diseases, anything like that. Just go ahead and do your own research, all right? But the point is, my opinion, it comes from two situations. The coronary artery is the main artery that supplies blood to the heart muscle, okay? And there's two controlling factors over that. One is adrenaline, and adrenaline has an interesting thing because it causes constriction of the blood vessels, except for the coronary artery, in which adrenaline opens up that vessel by vasodilating it. All the other vessels are constricted. This one's vasodilated, giving the heart muscle more oxygen so that muscle can chill out and work. But there's one thing about the heart: if it lacks oxygen, it goes into a cramp and you get a heart attack. So what causes a spike of adrenaline is stress. So if you have years of stress, you can kind of burn out the adrenals to the point where you don't get that function anymore. And now the valve becomes tighter and tighter and tighter, more constricting. And then we compound that with a clogged artery, or even a fibrous adhesion that's building up because the blood vessel is damaged. And that comes from high insulin, not necessarily consuming high fats. It's the high sugars and the carbohydrates and the wine and the juice. All that converts to cholesterol. That's going to plug up this artery. So if you combine stress with high insulin, if you're a pre-diabetic, that's even worse. That's why a lot of diabetics have coronary heart problems, because of this, because they're going to convert a lot of carbohydrate to that cholesterol and clog these arteries right here. What's interesting, if you consume saturated fats, which everyone says to avoid, but at the same time cut out the sugars, you're going to be totally fine. So it's not the fat that's clogging the arteries, it's the sugar. All right? That's my opinion, and I'm sticking to it. Hi guys, listen, I want to thank you so much for your wonderful comments. And I want to ask you if you wouldn't mind giving me your review on Google. I put a link down below. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you in advance.